Amazon has introduced a new key-in garage delivery service for Prime members in over 1,700 cities, towns, and neighborhoods across Canada. Here's how it works. When the delivery driver arrives to your house, they're able to open up your garage door, place your packages inside of the garage, and then close your garage door. This is the ultimate protection against porch pirates. But how does it work? Just think about it. The Amazon delivery driver somehow needs to be able to open up your garage door, place that package, and then close your garage door. How is this all happening on the back end? To learn more about this, I'm chatting with Ryan Flynn, the Senior Business Development Manager from Amazon Key, and Kyle Fitzgerald, the Senior Director and General Manager of the MyQ Residential Partnerships from the Chamberlain Group. So gentlemen, thanks for joining me. I'm really interested in this new service, this key-in service in Canada. Ryan, let's start with you. Just kind of give me the Reader's Digest on what Amazon Key is for Canadian consumers with garages.
Super excited to announce Amazon Key in Garage delivery service, which is a very convenient, secure, and easy way to have Amazon packages delivered on top of the normal kind of on the doorstep delivery. So it's now available in Canada, coast to coast, in over 1,700 cities, towns, and neighborhoods.
How is this possible? How is the driver able to connect to someone's garage door, open it up securely, and then close it? And you just kind of alluded to this, Ryan, that you do need a compatible smart garage, I guess, what is that, garage door opener. Kyle, I just got a question for you. Is this something that somebody has to buy a brand new garage door opener, or can they retrofit their old ones to make it smart?
Many of our existing garages, if you have a LiftMaster, a Chamberlain garage door operator that's Wi-Fi compatible, which you can look on the garage door operator. I have one conveniently back here in the background.
Right.
If you have a Wi-Fi symbol or it says powered by MyQ on the garage door operator, that operator is already connectable into Wi-Fi on its own and compatible with MyQ. And as long as you're a Prime member, also compatible to connect in for in-garage delivery. If you don't see that on your garage door operator, or you don't have an existing Chamberlain or LiftMaster garage door operator, all you need is one of these smart garage controls. This is a MyQ smart garage control. It's available on Amazon. It's available as well through myq.com for purchase. This is usually available for about $30 Canadian, and that will retrofit most garage door operators out there in existing homes. However, this also allows, with our integration with Amazon, the ability for an Amazon driver to safely and securely open that garage for one-time access to drop the package in, and then from their Amazon Associate app, go ahead and close the door when the delivery experience is complete.
Okay, so now you've ordered something, you've selected that you want it in garage. The driver now is coming to your house. How does the garage door open? What happens next?
Excellent question, Andy. Pretty simple process on the delivery driver's end as well. And I want to sort of note safety and security is our number one priority. So all of our delivery drivers have been background checked and vetted. When it's their time to deliver a package into the garage, they'll scan the package. That then initializes a one-time and one-time only access code to gain entry into the garage. They're specifically instructed to only go 5 feet into the garage, deposit the package, and then exit the garage, and then to make sure that the garage door closes. Or if the garage door was already open, they'll leave it alone.
This is fascinating. So by scanning the package, that is what's opening the door. Okay, so I apologize. I want to get a little geeky here since I have you both. That takes a lot of back-end technology to make sure that happens. And essentially what this was is a partnership between Amazon and MyQ, using both your smart home platforms, combining them together to make this a reality.
Absolutely. Yeah. One of the things that we like to say, that the package is the key, that we don't want to have key codes involved, handed around, the opportunity for the lack of security in the initiation process, let alone the security that we want to provide during the actual delivery experience itself.
Well, gentlemen, thanks for joining me. And if people want to get more information about this, where do they go?
A couple of different places, Andy, but I would suggest Amazon Key for starters, and then Kyle, your website as well.
Yeah, absolutely. You can go to myq.com, myq.com/Amazon Key, and learn more about the in-garage delivery experience.
And I'm guessing MyQ is available on Amazon as well.
Correct. Yeah, you're able to purchase our products, garage door operators, broader ecosystem, as well as that MyQ Smart Garage Control, all on the Amazon retail experience.
Love it. Ryan, Kyle, thanks so much, guys.
Andy, great to meet you. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thanks, Andy.